So around a year ago, I was working with a business owner and everything was fine actually. The ads were running smooth, the leads were coming in. But when I spoke to him, he looks tired most of the time. And it's not because he is completely busy, he is kind of like completely drained most of the day. And that's when I noticed what most people miss. And that's what exactly this video is about. So if you're still the one replying to customers, still chasing every lead by yourself, still spending your entire day inside WhatsApp, DMs, emails, and normal work, let me say this honestly, you're not running your business is actually running you. And here is the truth what I learned by looking at a lot of business. The ones that refuse to adapt are the ones that fall behind. Just look at Nokia. They weren't bad. They weren't stupid. I still remember that I really wanted a Nokia phone when I was studying in my school, when I was a kid at that time. That phone was something else. And you can see, I haven't heard about that much about other brands at that time. One of the brand I have heard with Nokia, I think it's Samsung at that time. But rather than that, wherever I look, it's always the Nokia phone. So that brand and their product and their quality was actually something else. And they didn't fail because of the quality. They did fail because they didn't move fast enough when the world changed. And in 2026, AI is actually the turning point. And if you don't use AI now, you will work slower, reply late, spend more money every month, lose customers without even knowing why. And while your competitors, they will be running everything on autopilot. But if you do use AI, everything is gonna change. Your work hours drop, your replies become instant 24/7, your leads stop slipping away, your operations run smoother, your team moves faster, and your business finally starts feeling like it's running on an autopilot. And in case if you're meeting for the first time, I'm Andrew Ken, and I build AI agents for e-commerce business that are tired of wasting time on things that should have been automated years ago. And let me be honest, I didn't come from tech. I came from digital marketing, and I think that's the one of the reason why I saw most of the businesses and people in the industry actually struggling with this problem. And I got a chance to point that out, and I got a solution to look into, especially, and I think that's one of the reasons I'm actually talking about AI agents right now. So let me explain about this. When I was working with the social media marketing clients in the beginning, I kept saying this same painful patterns again and again. And I would run the ad, and the ads would generate leads, and the people would message the business. But the business owner, they would reply after hours, and sometimes the next day. And by then, the lead was gone, or they lost interest, or they already talking to a competitor who replied first. And honestly, you can't even blame them, because most business owners are actually drowning in WhatsApp messages, emails, DMs, follow-ups, notification, and there is no way a human can actually keep up with everything. Almost every client that I've worked with is actually buried with these kind of manual works and replying to customers, answering the same questions, sending payment confirmations, checking orders, following up leads. And when that happens, just like I said, they are actually not running the business. The business is actually running them. I mean, if a business wants to really grow, it really needs a scalability, right? And if without a scalability, and if the business in a kind of situation where the business actually runs you, and if that's a situation, you will be in a kind of loop without stopping, a non-end loop. And every year when you look and every year when you turn back, you will be in the exact same place where you were before. If the business need to scale, then you need to run the business, not let the business run you. So what most of the people do, what do? They hire the people, right? And the amazing part is these tasks are the simplest and the easiest for the AI agents to handle, which can be done for 24/7 and without break, no fatigue. When you tell an AI agent to do something, it works 24/7 without any problem. And since it's an AI, one of the amazing features I have to tell about it is like, it's not gonna get tired. Not emotionally, not physically. So the real question is, how do we stop losing leads? How do we reduce our manual work? And how do we make the business run smooth? And the answer is quite simple. Most business don't need more ads, more leads or more traffic, they need a better system because the bottlenecks are always the same. The slow response time, no follow-up lead system, missed leads, manual support, overworked owners, and tired staff. And before anything else, you fix the system. That's where the AI agents actually come in. So let's imagine a real e-commerce business. And what do we call it? We can call it as a business A. So every single day, business A receives WhatsApp messages, emails, customer complaints, order tracking requests, pricing questions, and payment follow-ups. They're trying to run ads, manage operations, fulfill orders, and the messaging never stops. People keep messaging. Actually, that's what we want. But if we can't handle that, then there is no point in that, right? So no matter how hard the business A tried, they could never reply fast enough. Some customers waited hours, some never got replies, and some just left. And as the business grew, the stress grew faster. So they tried hiring the staff, but it was too expensive. They tried being faster, which is almost impossible. They tried templates, but still it's a manual thing, right? They tried ignoring the messages, but they lost sales. Almost nothing worked out. And that's when business A introduced AI agents, and an AI agent that can actually reply instantly, qualify leads, track orders, speak multiple languages, and follow up automatically. So suddenly the owner doesn't need to spend 3 to 5 hours a day replying to the messages, because it is completely handled by AI. And because of that, business A replies in 3 seconds. They never miss the lead. The customers feel taken care of. They save 50 to 100 hours every month. And because of that, they are able to scale their business. And also at the same time, which is most important part, that is the business finally runs without exhausting the owner. Now here is something which most people don't understand. You don't choose AI based on what sounds cool. You choose AI based on the actual problem that you're facing. Different problems is equal to different agents, which means if your issue is slow WhatsApp replies, then you need a 24/7 WhatsApp AI agent. If your issue is mislead leads, you need a lead qualification agent across WhatsApp, email, and Instagram. If it's order tracking, then you connect the order tracking agent to the place where you receive the message. And if it's the calls, you use a voice AI agent that answers, explains, and also at the same time, it's able to book the call for the customers by checking the calendar all by itself. And also at the same time, if you're a global business, if you're an international business, you need a multi-language AI support. This is very important, guys. Like if you have an e-commerce business and your business get a lot of messages from different parts of the world, like for example, if you're receiving the message in WhatsApp, you can add a feature inside it, which is a multi-language support. So someone from a different country or someone from another state in your own country messages, and if the language is different, this AI agent understand it and you can set it up. If you want to reply in their same language, the AI agent will do it. If you want to reply to everyone in the English pack, for example, if the AI agent receives messages in different languages from different states, but you can set it up into something like, the reply will be completely in English or in their own language, and that depends upon how you want when you build it. But in both cases, it's actually one of the amazing features. And also at the same time, the call feature that I said, sometimes if any kind of problems or anything happens in the business, and when the customer call, like they will be extremely angry, and the AI agent will be the one who will be picking up the call. No matter how hard or how angry the customer got in the call, the AI agent will keep up that calm and relaxed voice, which is actually like if it's a human that is talking, and if the customer is angry, there is a limit for the human to hold back. But when it comes to AI agent, it does that perfectly. And also at the same time, if you connect your AI agent to your calendar, then if somebody calls, for example, if you have a restaurant business and maybe for the holidays you give the rooms, you give the 5-star rooms, maybe that's your business then. And if some customer calls to your business, the AI agent will pick the call. And if the customer asks, can I book a room for this day with my family? So the AI agent will check the calendar, and AI agent will look into if there is any room available on that day. And if there is, AI agent will reply back in a human voice Sometimes they won't be able to tell it's a human or an AI that is calling. I mean, technology is moving fast, and when you look the way actually the AI just talk to you, it's very hard to find out whether it's human or AI that is actually talking to you. So the AI will check the calendar, and if there is a room available, it will tell that, yeah, there is a room available. Can I book for you? And it will do all the work by itself. So everything that you can bring in your business with the AI agent, most of the things, 80% of the things of your business will be running very smoothly. And mostly, like I said, it will be like an autopilot. So just like I said, AI agents are actually built on the main problem that you're facing. So if I'm working with a business, the first thing that I'm going to ask them is, what exactly are you struggling with? Not the tool they want, or not the trend they saw something few days back on social media. So when I'm able to understand that, I mean, once that part is clear, then the system becomes simple. So if you're watching this and thinking, yeah, this is exactly my situation, then don't overthink it. You can reach out, and I will personally look at where your business is actually bleeding time and what kind of things should be automated and what kind of things shouldn't. So you guys can reach out in the email and the LinkedIn account that I give below. So that's it, and I will see you guys in the next video.